Hi, friends. So we are continuing our series, and today we're going to talk about the skilled trades that will be needed to help get your construction done on your building. Now, we've already found the lot in an area where it's going to be profitable. We've already designed the building according to our budget. We've done the project takeoff, and now we're going to build the team. So this list here will have the skilled trades that you would need to look up or find to help you build your building. But if there's anything on this list that you know how to do yourself, you can just scratch that item off and don't look for that person because you know you'll be filling that spot. Now, check your local guidelines to see what they require as far as you pulling permits and what you can do yourself and things like that, okay? This list, I'm going to put this down in the description. Oh, and this video is not going to be long at all, by the way. So this list, I'm going to put this down in the description so you can download this list to help you, while you're looking around for the people that you're going to need. And so a good source would be Craigslist. So let's just say you go on to Craigslist. They have this button right here called Skilled Trades. And you can go here and start looking for the people you might need. And your area might have something else. I mean, you can use Angie's List and you can use the Yellow Pages or you can use Google, but you want to see how you can start finding these people to help you build your team. And the key here is to find the people and negotiate the contracts using that budget that we had from the other day. So if you know that you have for your drywall guy and the material and everything, if you have X amount of dollars for that portion of it, you know that when you're negotiating that contract, you need to stay in that range for your negotiations, okay? So that's what this is going to help you do. And you're going to put that list together, negotiate those contracts, and at that point, if everything lines up with your budget, then you can go ahead and start your construction. But on that budget list that we did last week, that spreadsheet, there was an area in there for contingency. I don't know if you guys saw that part, but put anywhere from 3 to 5% in there for contingency. And what that does is that helps if you blow the budget in some areas just a little bit, that would help to keep things in range for you. And I don't know if I'm explaining that correctly, but basically it's like a buffer. So it'll allow you to, well, not allow, because you don't want to blow your budget, okay? But let's just say something is a little bit higher than you anticipated, you would be able to absorb it down in your contingency area. And I hope I'm trying to explain it, but basically it's your buffer, okay? So anywhere from 3 to 5% of the total budget will go in that line there for your contingency. Because you'll be acting as the contractor, remember that you're going to be like the project manager. So you're going to oversee the entire site. You're going to negotiate all of these contracts and the budgets and things like that. You're going to do the estimating, which we've done in the last video. And then quality control. That's a really, really, really big one. So all of these subcontracts that you're negotiating, I would, if I were you, make sure check some of their past work so that when you hire them, you know that you're getting someone who can do the work that you're hiring them for. But then your role is going to truly kick in when they get on site and they start doing the work. When they start doing the work, you're going to have to either dedicate time or have someone send you videos or something like that of the work that's being performed so that you can know that the quality is there. You really want to like hone in on this part, because if you don't, and you abandon the project, well, not abandon, that's a strong word, let's just say you go missing for a little while, and then you come back and your project is a total mess, you're going to lose money, and then it's going to be a lot of time that you're losing having to rectify this, and you're going to I mean, it's going to give you a bad experience overall. I think just making sure that you're managing the quality of the work as you go along so that you can catch something early would be like the brightest thing to do, okay? And then communication, that's going to be a key element here as well. You're going to have to maintain contact between the subcontractors and the suppliers and try to see if you can get everything arranged and stuff like that. Or you can put that in your subcontract for the subcontractors to make sure they stay on top of their suppliers and things. So it's basically how you want to set up your contracts. Now I'm going to put a subcontractor's contract down in the description. It might not be there immediately when I upload this video, but in a day or two after I upload the video, I should have that subcontractor's contract down in there. It's going to be a template just for you to kind of follow. It's a guideline to help you with negotiating these contracts and to try and make sure that you have some of the key elements in the contract to protect you and to protect the subcontractor. And what I was saying, yeah, so it's going to be in the description. So if you're watching this video more than a day or two after I've uploaded it, it should be down there, but it will not be there immediately when I upload that. I think that's pretty much all for this video. Like I said, it wasn't going to be long at all. And then in our next video, we're going to talk about how to cash out of this building, how to get it rented, and how to get the money going for the building. Because now we've been spending. In our next video, we're going to see how we're going to start recouping that money that we've been spending. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And for those who've subscribed, I really appreciate you subscribing. Thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed already and any of the information that I'm giving you is helpful, then please consider subscribing or even just liking the video. It helps me out a bunch. Thank you guys so much. God bless, and you guys take care.